Hi, today I'm here to show you our family engagement pre-K reading, read, write, and play pack. This kit is an amazing resource for teachers. It will provide hands-on, repeated practice to aid in learning recovery after a few tough years. This kit is wonderful for creating that school to home connection and getting parents involved in the children's learning and reading. First, I'm going to show you this activity and instruction guide because it will lead whoever's using the pack through each piece to make an amazing experience. This 24-page guide includes a family letter, tips from the classroom, the 4 C's, how to help build reading skills with your students or children, and it walks you through each activity with ways to use it and extension activities to take it even further. Now, one of the key things you'll find in this guide is a 30-day calendar. Now, this has fun activities that will engage the whole family with a new task for each day. They're sure to love it and build those connections because those connections and relationships are where children develop their love of reading. In this kit, you'll find that it's sent home in a bag for easy carrying. It has the guide we just spoke about. It has 3 double-sided dry erase mats. And it also comes with a dry erase marker because not every student will already have that at home. Each kit will feature a journal for some extra practice, and that journal can also be kept as a reference for years to come so they can look back on their progress. In each kit, you'll also find a game that's great for 2 to 4 players. Again, wonderful for family engagement to get that kid excited about learning without even knowing they're learning. One of the other amazing pieces in this kit are our large pack of task cards. It comes with 10 double-sided cards and a manipulative to use with the cards. Here you'll see letters that kids can match up with the task cards and have various activities to do together. The really neat thing about this set, the vowels are color-coded so they're easy to find as kids are still learning their vowels and their consonants and get lots of practice that way. So this hands-on repeated practice is going to aid in that learning recovery. It can be at home with the families, but this is also an amazing resource to use with summer programs or camps, with after-school programs. If your district is still digital learning, to be able to send home hands-on materials with the students that really get them thinking and practicing and including play throughout the day. This is just a wonderful way to learn. Made for teachers, by teachers, you'll see the difference.